Of the news in detail, the public image of national law enforcement is said to have been marred as lawmen are among the accused for the country's first homicide of the year. Sean Thomas has more.
Police PRO William Holder says the involvement of the lawmen in the criminal activity has affected the credibility of the force, but he reassures the public that regardless of who is involved in crime, justice will be served. He is, however, of the view that the speediness of cracking the case is commendable.
This time is not a pleasant time for us as police officers because our credibility has come into question in light of this recent incident, and it has left us mad, it has left us sore, and I think the whole nation at this point is upset and is suffering because the family of the deceases, the family also of the accused, they too would feel some remorse, and as well as the police force of where one of our colleagues is an accused in this incident.
The police PRO adds that the record number of murders solved in recent times is a positive for the force that was once upon a time heavily criticized by the public. Holder shares his views on a possible anti-corruption policy that would ensure that officers remain on the right side of the law.
Anything that would help to enhance the image of the police force, I would welcome, because I had the opportunity to be in St. John's today, and it was not a pleasant feeling because the sentiments that were being expressed by citizens weren't on the positive side. And so anything that can repair the damaged image, I would welcome. However, what I want the general public to look at is that in this case, the police officers, the investigators, did not try to shield or to cover up for our fellow officer. They were very ethical in it, and we were, as a matter of fact, they acted professionally and dealt with the issue as though it was our own. And I think the police ought to be applauded for that. And if we are to get some credit, I think this is the area that the police should get some credit, is that we did not try to cover it up. What we did is that we investigated, and this is the policy of the Royal Police Force of Antigua and Barbuda. If you are within this organization and we have sworn to uphold law and order, and if it is broken, and that officer would be dealt with. I can assure you that this is not the first time, and it would continue to happen that way.
28-year-old Dion Tits Thomas, Gideon Jackson, 26, and Tamari Diamond Elliott, 21, were charged with the murder of the mother of two, Dorothy Prince. Thomas, Jackson, and Elliott, as well as 24-year-old Omari Boots Phillip, are jointly charged with aggravated robbery. Jackson is a police officer, while Elliott is an ex-Defense Force soldier. On the issue regarding the safety concerns for Jackson, Holder says the Deputy Police Commissioner is dealing with the matter and that he is confident that, as in the past, the best decision would be made. There are calls for the public to continue the good relations with the police force to ensure that Antigua and Barbuda remains a safe society. Sean Thomas, ABS News.